in solidarity with and in support to the Council, Church Council, Leaders Council for National Transformation. I am speaking on behalf of Manila Ecclesiastical Province School Systems Association, composed of 122 schools in the NCR, as well as Lawag and Palawan. And I'm also speaking on behalf of the Roman Catholic Bishop of Novaliches Educational System. I'm speaking about the corruption and plunder on flood control projects. Our calls consist of the following: immediate justice and accountability. Demand an independent, transparent investigation of flood control corruption. Prosecute concerned legislators, contractors, and auditors complicit in corruption. Push for restitution of stolen funds into effective flood control projects, education, health, and housing for the poor. Strengthen whistleblower protection, but those that are really qualified, and criminalize negligence in public service. Medium-term structural reforms mandate citizen participation in monitoring infrastructure projects. Require public disclosure of audits and procurement processes. Enact campaign fund regulations to reduce patronage and dynastic politics. Blacklist corrupt contractors. Ensure penalties on officials and colluding private entities. On the long term, cultural and moral renewal. Strengthen values formation in schools, parishes, and communities, like GMRC, Christian living, ethics, and values education. Promote digital citizenship among young people to combat disinformation, identify anomalies, and demand accountability online. Foster integrity movements in schools, parishes, communities, and civil society to build a new culture of honesty. Encourage simplicity and solidarity in leadership, rejecting extravagance and greed. And our leadership is also calling on that whatever assemblies, gatherings, rallies, and that we conduct, we organize today or on 21 and subsequent days, all of which will have to be prayerful, discerning, peaceful, and really promoting the greater good of the majority of the Filipino people. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay tayong lahat.